Okay, so your grandmother has assets of $500,000. One option that she's considering involves an adult residential community for a 6-year period beginning in 2022. The model, okay, so here's the model they give us, describes yearly adult residential community costs N years after 2021. So that's how much it's going to cost for a year, okay? Does your grandmother have enough to pay for the facility? So what we want to know is we want to know a summation. How much is it going to cost her to live there for 6 years? Okay, so there's a little bit of thinking that's going on. Her first year, so A sub, well, I want to write that differently already. 2022, that's going to be the first year. And then 2023, that's going to be the second year. And then 2024 is the third year. There's only 6 of them, but 2025 is the fourth year. 2020, oops, A sub 4. 2026 is going to be A sub 5. And 2027 is going to be A sub 6. Okay, so we're trying to find the summation of these 6 terms. Okay, all right, and we have a model here. And since the model is for the year after 2021, we can say when A sub 1, so A sub 1 is equal to 1,800 times 1 plus 64,130. What's that? All right, where's my calculator? 1,800 plus 64,130. Okay, that is going to be $65,930. That's just for the first year. Now, we know it's going to cost these other years, but we're going to skip because we want to find the total. And we know it's arithmetic. It's in the form of arithmetic, right? Okay, so you could figure out the second term just to make sure, and the third term. But it's going to keep going up by 1,800, right? Okay. The last term, we have to know that though. So A sub 6 is going to be 1,800 times 6 plus 64,130. Okay. Oops. Just dropped my calculator on my keyboard. Okay. So 1,800 times 6 plus 64,130. So the last year is costing us, or grandma, $74,930. Okay, so now we want to do the total. We want to know the sum of the first 6 terms for these 6 years that grandma's living at the residential community. We're going to say, well, let me put the formula up again. It's new for us. But it's a pretty fun formula. I mean, it's a pretty nice formula. So n is 6. The first term, okay, that we figured out, 65,930. Plus the last term, 74,930. And then we're going to multiply that by 3. So what's 65,930? Oops. 65,930 plus 74,930. I'm getting 140,860. And then I'll have to multiply that times 3. So I'm getting 422,580. So the total cost for 6 years is going to be $422,580. But grandma has 500,000, right? Okay, that's what she has. So yay. So yeah, she has enough money. I think we just want to know if she has enough money to do this, and she has enough money. In fact, she has some left over. She could take her grandkids to Europe or something. Okay, you might suggest that to grandma. Okay, So that's what we get. Let me check and make sure we answered the question. Does your grandmother have enough money to pay for the facility? Yeah, for the first 6 years, she has enough money.